I have a beautiful smile now. Before, my smile was so terrible that I didn't even show my own wife. I have been able to eat foods that I haven't been able to eat in over 10 years. My name is Zephyr Hamburgers. My dental history goes back probably around 12 years of having the ability to chew on only one side with only 2 teeth that connected on the one side. And even in those 2 teeth, they had holes in both of them. So if I were to eat anything sweet or sugary, it would cause me immense pain relatively quickly. To try to solve this issue, I went to quite a few dentists in America, and I come to find that I simply couldn't afford the treatment that they would recommend. After starting some research in my options, I found out that here in India, the price is roughly 1/10 or 1/12 of the price of American dentists, which actually made it more affordable, an option that I can actually realistically afford. I immediately started doing as much research as I could on the dentists that I could find here and what the culture of India would be like, because I was very unfamiliar with all of it. And the first thing I found when looking through the dentist is that there was an astounding number of subpar dentists, to put things politely, with a lot of fake reviews made by people that don't really exist. After it took me roughly a month of research, I finally stumbled across this wonderfully well-organized page of dentistry work called Precision Dental. And I investigated every review that I could find. I looked through the profiles of the people that wrote the reviews. I looked through the YouTube videos of everything the doctor had posted. I made sure that everything was exactly as it appeared at first glance, and it was. So I reached out to him, and I won't say that he was the first dentist that I reached out to, but he was definitely the most professional in even how he spoke to me before I came to India. From there, he helped me organize how I would come here. He helped me figure out how to get a visa. He connected me with a tour guide that would help me get around when I did get here, to pick me up from the airport and such. From that point, I think it took me maybe 15 days to get together everything I needed and to come and have my first visit here in India. The first visit, it was more of a consultation. He described to me what procedure he would recommend for me. He described to me what all it would take, what all would entail, how I would have to take care of it after he was done. He was very in-depth about everything and every step of the process. He made sure I had a good understanding of what was going to happen. He gave me his recommendations, and since I had a relative amount of trust in his work so far, I'd seen quite a bit of it. I took every recommendation he had very seriously. Over the course of 5 days, I had I think it was 14 teeth I had left in my mouth removed, and I had, in exchange, 14 implants placed. And I also got the full prosthesis of upper and lower jaw, all done in the first 5 days of coming to this clinic. I'll say that I was pretty scared on the first day. I thought it would be very painful. I thought I would not be able to even, sleep at night because it would be so painful. Thankfully, I was wrong. It wasn't so bad. It was all a bunch of nerves for no reason. The dentist, he helped me get around town. He helped me. He even showed me what meals to eat first. He gave me recommendations on everything that I could possibly want a recommendation on. He was there for me for. definitely above and beyond what you would expect from anyone. He was very excited to see the prosthesis in my mouth. He said it came out wonderfully. I think so as well. I think it came out wonderfully. I have a beautiful smile now. Before, my smile was so terrible that I didn't even show my own wife if I could help it. I have a smile now that I can show to anyone. And I've heard it not just from him, but even random other patients here, that no one can even tell that I had any work done. It is completely believable that it is real. I have been able to eat foods that I haven't been able to eat in over 10 years. All the sugary confectionaries that I avoided at all costs, all the hard, crunchy things that were just completely inaccessible to me then, are not something that I even have to give thought to now. It has been a wonderful experience here at Precigen Dental, and I would recommend it to anyone.